Hey everyone, Replit or Cursor? Which AI coding tool should you use? Let's break it down fast. First up, Replit. It's a cloud IDE, runs right in your browser, no setup needed. Its AI, Ghostwriter, can suggest code, debug, and even spin up full apps from prompts. With one-click deployment, real-time collaboration, and support for tons of languages, it's perfect for beginners, teams, or quick prototypes. Now Cursor. Built on VS Code, it's a local IDE for power users. Cursor's AI handles context-aware autocomplete, multi-line edits, and project-wide refactoring. It integrates deeply with tools like GitHub, making it ideal for pros tackling big, complex projects. So, the verdict? Replit equals speed, simplicity, collaboration. Cursor equals precision, control, scalability. For learning or rapid prototyping, go Replit. For serious dev work with big codebases, go Cursor. That's the showdown. Which one's your pick? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.